good news, I can see somebody behind us. She is a smooth 37 minutes late. 37 minutes late, but still has her phone out. Still getting content. That's Eva for you. Good on both halves.
On a good side.
I don't have a bad side, so that's fine.
That's good, that's good.
Okay.
I just gave you a high five.
Welcome back to the channel. Today I have the pleasure of shooting with the amazing model.
Eva Kiala.
And just so you guys know, she's like the 4th or 5th, I'm not 100% sure, model that I shot when I first moved to Miami. So I don't know how we don't have a video on YouTube yet, but we're changing that right now.
Yes, wow, that is so beautiful.
It's crazy.
I love that for us. I was one of his first shoots, guys. That's beautiful, and he was amazing. Honestly, I was super impressed with his work.
Hey, I ain't saying she did, but today we're gonna be shooting with the SIRUI 85mm 1.4. So this is a brand new lens that they just came out with, and it's very affordable. You guys let me know how it does. Eva's in front of it, so the picture's gonna come out amazing. And let's just get straight to shooting.
Wow, I can't wait to see them.
Let's do it.
Woo!
So we're gonna shoot this way using the sun as our key light, just like this.
But that's what the reflector is for. So
and then the
shadows
reflector, yeah, to like mitigate some of the shadows on the side.
We're learning, guys, we're learning.
Perfect. Right now, this lens, so far so good. I've only taken a couple shots, but it seems like very good autofocus. You guys let me know what it's looking like. Can I have you, yep, put your chin up just a little bit more. There you go. And then move the hair to the back of your head on this side. There you go. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. I'm gonna move off to right here.
Get my angles.
I got you. There we go. And Eva is actually wearing her bikini from her bikini line.
Yes. Yeah, I like collection.
So I'll put that down below so you guys can check that out. Can I have you do that same thing but look this way?
This way?
Yep, there you go. Perfect. Let's see how it does with a detail shot. So right now I'm gonna go to f4.5, and then can I have you put the hands right here? I'm gonna shoot right here so I don't block my shadow. 3, 2, 1. And then let's do a straight on shot. Yep, just like that. And then you can put both hands with the strings. 3, 2, 1. And then you can do one in the middle. Perfect. That's perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then let's do one straight legs, just like that. And then you can relax, no tippy toes.
No tippy toes?
No tippy toes. Right there. Put all the hair back. There we go.
Trusting your vision here.
Don't worry, you'll see. I don't think I've taken a bad picture of you yet. If I have, you should have told me. That's
yeah, like off-guardy vibes.
Very.
I like that.
3, 2, 1. Not even paying attention to the camera. There you go. And then chin up a little higher. There we go. 3, 2, and 1. All right, now.
Shari!
I gotcha.
Oof, I love them. Stop! I'm gonna push you in the water. This is so good. This angle is so good. This is product shot. What? Yeah, that collection is gonna be lit. Oh, I love those. Wait. I think you're the best.
Don't say it too loud.
You better crop that out. This is amazing. I can't. We're done. Outfit change.
Do you come a little bit closer to me? Right there.
I like being directed. It makes things so much easier.
There you go. I'm gonna just take a couple steps back, hold that pose. 3, 2, and 1. Let's see if we can stop down a little bit more. 2.0. So far, this autofocus on this lens is really good. We'll see how sharp it is once we bring it back into post. That's great. And I think you got it.
Woo, you got it. back shot. No, IG don't like them. Amazing, we got it. Wow, 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 snaps. Look at those leg muscles right there. Stop, I love the off guard one. That was actually off guard, I was just walking. We got it. I love it.
All right guys, right now we're going to switch it to video. I don't think I have a ND filter this size actually. You know what, let me double check. Give me 1 second. I want to double check to see if I have something. Okay, ready? 3, 2, and 1. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's switch up the angle really quick. Let's get more direct. That looks perfect. So far, this lens has not missed any shots. All the shots have been really in focus. It's catching her eye every single time. Whether it's at 1.4, 4.5, doesn't matter. That's perfect. Do that same thing and then look away. Actually look down towards your shoulder. So you're gonna do that and then look towards the left. Yes. And then hand in the air. Well, not hands in the air, but hands in your hair. There you go. 3, 2, and 1. That's perfect. And then eyes here. Perfect. Just do one more. Have your leg just like that. Yep, keep bringing it down. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Right now, I know there's a lot of shadows, but I actually like it. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I shot with the Sirui 85mm 1.4 Aurora full frame lens, and let me know how it was, because I thought it was amazing. Once I take it back.
That was fire.
Yeah, hey, listen.
That was so fire. Every picture came out fantastic. Super great colors and very focused. Like literally, I could post every picture.
I don't gotta say too much after that. They're kicking us out, even though the sun is still mad high in the sky.
We're upset.
It's so good. How'd you enjoy the shoot?
I had a great time. We got literally created magic. We got 10 out of 10 shots, 10 out of 10 pictures. I'm so excited to see the content. I really enjoyed it. And the vibes were there. The vibes were great. Super prepared. And the pictures are just literally fantastic. How did you enjoy it? Did you like my company? Did you like me modeling?
Of course. Emma is always a good time. She brings the energy. As you can tell with her sparky personality, it's always a good time shooting with her. And we'll have her back for sure. But for now, we got to skedaddle before they kick us off this beach. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to Eva's YouTube because she needs to start posting.
Eva Kiana, guys. That's
so
my YouTube channel.
I'll probably put it like right over here somewhere. And don't forget to follow, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Follow, like, comment, subscribe.
All that.
We love you guys. Bye.
Whoa.